I will let the floor to Ashwini. Ashwini is one of the exceptional women. Je dois dire que c'est Ashwini qui m'a envoyé ce texte. Hein. Ashwini is one of the exceptional women in PropTech in Luxembourg. In Indian origin, Luxembourger, living since 15 years in Dahlem, mother of 3, and she just joined us after dropping her kids at the school. The platform she has developed with her team is called IDS, but now I let her explain with more details. Ashwini, the floor is yours.
Very good morning to everyone, and I take this amazing opportunity to start your breakfast with an interesting topic called digital twin, which is the next hottest thing or the next big thing in the fourth industrial revolution. And what is digital twin, which is a physical avatar, which is the development of new products and processes. So digital twin is all about creating the physical asset in a virtual world. But besides creating that in the virtual world, before getting into how the digital twin can actually help the PropTech industry, and what is this virtual world and adding intelligence to that data, I'd like to share with you what AssetLux, my company, since the last 2.5 years is working on. And before that, my background, I'm a structural engineer, have performed my studies with mechanics and have worked for the past 20 years in the petrochemical and the refinery industry. What we tried to do is we have created a cloud platform which integrates piping engineering and structural engineering digitally at one location in one place in the cloud. And primarily what that actually does is one is able to log in to the cloud and create an actual chemical factory from its early stages of engineering and basically get its piping engineering design done very quickly with all the intricacies, the valves, design, putting in the early stages of calculations, and most importantly, combined it with a structural steel plant where you just plug in a couple of digits and you're able to get a structural model around that piping plugged in with numbers, and boom, you get the structural plant. And you're able to then not only analyze it, design it, but within a button click, you're able to design the steel structure, see its static calculation, see the wind response, and finally get a calculation report out. Now, you might be wondering, what has PropTech got to do with a chemical factory? The fact is that AssetLux has absolutely aced the technology of bringing in the web graphics, which is very simple and clean for any geometrical model in the cloud. It has a lot of early stages of smart algorithms that are built in, where you're able to only feed in the early stages of wind calculations and seismic calculations, because even if we have all the fancy buildings, one cannot ignore that there is a lot of exhaustive and tedious calculations in the early stages of engineering. And above all, if we have the power to bring this in the cloud, we can use that data for predictive analytics. And above all, it's in the cloud, so you can basically stand anywhere and do your calculations and designs. Now, what is all this to do with the digital twins? Now, digital twin, as I mentioned, is just is bringing in the image or cloning the image. But how are you able to clone an image? If you have drones, you can easily capture the images. If you have laser scans, you can capture the image. But that captured image is nothing but billions of point clouds, which is nothing but a big file size. And how do I get that onto the IDS platform? Well, we have that magical converter, which we are able to get in that digital clone and that file onto our rendered graphics through the IDS platform. Now, the advantages of this is if you have an existing factory and you want to speed up its early stages of manufacturing process and engineering process, you're able to create this digital clone very quickly. One of the biggest advantages that I'd like to mention out here is that because of all the smart algorithms built in, we are able to also digitally bring in the logistics parameters of that factory onto the cloud. So what are the value propositions that AssetLux has to offer through this technology? If you want to recreate an existing building in a brownfield project, let's say we want to have a clone of Hotel Royal at Amélius and you want to recreate it, you can have a point cloud converter and bring it onto IDS and get its engineering designs done quickly. In greenfield projects with our smart parametric platform, you're able to create the model and you're able to have in discrete event simulation quickly in cloud. We have done this and improved productivity with our technology for an existing chemical factory and in the similar cases for another chemical factory, which was our pilot project. And with this, I open the questions, ask everyone if you have any questions on what we have to share. Thank you.